How to organize your video recording sessions? I want to share with you what I do weekly to publish my content on 3 social networks: YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. Briefly, all my videos are entirely scripted. I read word by word to speed up the recording sessions and deliver the best information in the less time possible without being repetitive. I have a routine. From Monday to Friday, in the morning I write 1 long video for YouTube and 1 or 2 shorts 1-minute videos. I work 2 weeks in advance to let my collaborators do the video editing process and plan the content publication. I record videos on Monday and Tuesday afternoon in just 2 hours and a half. I love interacting with people, answering their comments to understand their needs and creating content accordingly. It can be challenging at the beginning, but once you gain the right pace, it's a pleasure. It's a fantastic learning process that fulfills your entire life while you are helping people.